If you're in your 20s or 30s and feel like everyone else has their life figured out except you, here's the truth. They don't. But the difference between men who find direction and men who stay lost isn't luck or talent. It's three specific things. And if you're honest with yourself, you're probably failing at all three. First, let's talk about what's actually keeping you directionless. It's not that you don't have potential. It's not that you're not smart enough. The problem is, modern life has turned your brain into a slot machine. You check your phone 96 times a day. That's every 10 minutes you're awake. And every time you do, you're not just losing 30 seconds. You're destroying your ability to focus on anything long enough to actually build it. You can't find direction when you're constantly distracted. Direction requires deep thought. It requires sitting with uncomfortable questions about who you are and what you actually want. But the moment that discomfort hits, you reach for your phone. Scroll Instagram, watch YouTube shorts, check the news, anything to avoid the hard work of figuring yourself out. And while you're distracted, years are passing. You're 25, then 27, then 30, and you still don't know what you're building toward. So here's the first thing you need to do. Reclaim your attention. 1 hour per day, phone off, no distractions. Use that hour to think, to plan, to actually work on something that matters. Not forever, just 1 hour. If you can't do that, you're not serious about finding direction. You're serious about staying comfortable. Second problem, you're too vague about what you want. Ask most men what they're working toward, and they say things like, I want to be successful, or I want to be happy, or I want a better life. That's not a direction, that's a wish. Direction requires specificity. What exactly do you want your life to look like in 1 year? Not vague feelings, actual metrics. What body? What relationships? What daily routine? What skills? Get so specific, it makes you uncomfortable. Because once you're specific, you can't hide anymore. You have to admit where you're falling short. And most men avoid that pain by staying vague. But here's what happens when you get specific. You can work backwards. You can break big goals into small steps. You can measure progress. You can adjust when something's not working. Suddenly, you're not lost anymore. You have a map. Most men never create that map. They drift for years, wondering why nothing changes. You can't reach a destination you haven't defined. Third problem, you're waiting to feel ready. You're waiting for confidence, for the perfect plan, for the right moment. Let me save you some time. You will never feel ready. Confidence doesn't create action. Action creates confidence. You don't build certainty by thinking about it. You build it by doing the thing while you're still scared and proving to yourself that you survive. Every man you respect started exactly where you are now. Uncertain, scared, unclear. The only difference is they moved forward anyway. They didn't wait for permission. They didn't wait to feel ready. They started messy. They made mistakes. They course corrected. And through that process, they found their direction. You're not going to discover your purpose by thinking about it. You discover it by trying things, failing at some, succeeding at others, and paying attention to what pulls you forward. Direction isn't found, it's built. Most men will watch this, nod along, and then do nothing. Their life next year will look exactly like their life today. Don't be most men. We're building a community of men who refuse to drift through life. Men who define their standard and pursue it relentlessly. If this resonated, subscribe. We post new content every week on becoming the man you're capable of being. Not theory, not motivation, strategy and execution.